What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Lady Braid. I'm back with another video. Yeah. What's up, y'all? What's up, gang? I'm super excited because if you could read by the title, then you already know that this is a Lil Yachty's pizza review, and y'all know I love me some food, period. So I'm definitely gonna get my review on this pizza. I'm gonna show you the box real quick. So this is the box. You can find it in your local Walmart. That's where I found my pizza at. They had this one, the pepperoni and the bacon, and then they had the I think it was like the barbecue chicken one or whatever. But I really want to try this one because we'll get into the next one later, on down the road or something. I'll tell y'all how it was, but I really wanted to try this one because this one is super popular on YouTube. So I'm super excited. I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like. When I got it, it was kind of like melted or something. So like it melted like a certain way. So when I put it in the oven, it like was melted a certain way. So I'm gonna show you what the pizza looked like. I'll be right back. All right, y'all, so this is what the pizza looks like. I put it in the oven. Like I said, it was melted a certain way, so that's why it looks like it right here. But it was melted a certain way. We're gonna dig into this pizza and then we're gonna be right back. All right, y'all, so we back. I had to cut up some pizza, get me some water. All right, so this is what the pizza looks like. This is what the pizza looks like. It has cheddar cheese seasoned crust and pepperoni and bacon. So this is what it looks like. And I have to put it smells good. I have to put let me see if I can bring y'all down a little bit. I don't want to bring that down. Okay, so I definitely have to put, excuse my son, he's in the background, but I have to put hot sauce and ranch on my pizza. Sometimes don't judge me, y'all, but sometimes I'll be putting French on my pizza. And I think I'm gonna probably do it like for one of them. Nah, I'm gonna just do ranch for the whole thing, cause I ain't trying to let y'all judge me or whatever. Like, she puts French dressing on her pizza. Yes, fire. I think I can't remember. Like, I've been doing that since I was younger. But all right, moment of truth. Let's get into this pizza. All right, it smells good, like I said. Hold on. It's giving like I want to say DiGiorno, but a little bit better than DiGiorno. Yeah, like I feel like it's giving DiGiorno, but like more so of a like thickness to it. But not bad. It's not bad, y'all. Not bad. And I think I need some pop with this pizza. I can't drink water right now. Alright, y'all. I got me some root beer. Yes, I am the person that's keeping root beer alive. The crust The crust is actually fire. It's very seasoned. It's very seasoned. Seasoned really well. And it's super good. Okay, little Yachty. This is actually alright. Would I get it again? I probably would. Because it's not nasty. It's just like giving lasagna, but like more thicker. Like you see how it's like, thick? Like it's just thicker. You know what I'm saying? And you see like the crust? The crust is very seasoned. They're definitely good. I like it. I don't have a topic today, y'all. I'm just on here just to review this pizza. And I need some French dressing. I don't care what none of y'all say about my French dressing. And no, I'm not pregnant. I just eat me some French dressing. But like I said, I don't have no topic today, y'all. But I do want to get on. I do want to say something real quick though, because I do want to get on here and say, because I see a lot of people be bashing men that are out here like really loving on their women. And call them soft and stuff like that. And I personally want to know, why do y'all think loving on your woman is soft? It makes no sense to me. So it's like, why? Well, I think that loving on your woman is soft. This crust shot is really good, very good. But it's like, why do men think that loving on your woman is like a soft place for a man to, a soft thing for a man to do? I just don't get that. Like, that's some real manship. Like, if you loving on your woman, you loving her out loud, like especially if she's like a solid one too, and she's not doing anything, and you loving on your woman, you loving them out loud. Like, why? Like, oh, he's soft for posting her, or he's soft for matching, or he's soft for doing that. Like, why is the man soft for loving on her woman out loud? Right? That don't make no sense to me. It just doesn't make no sense to me. And why do it feel like every time like somebody is in a happy ass relationship, here come people trying to break them up or bring up the past? Like, oh, she used to do this, bro, or he used to mess with her and did her like this. Like, okay, like what is people's agenda? I feel like my next relationship is gonna be like, once I know that man is solid and we here with it, I'm loving out loud. I'm wearing my heart on my sleeve, because I'm gonna be like, my man, my man, my man, my man, my man. Loving out loud anyway. I love showing my man off. I love for him to show me off. I love having reassurance from him, and he get reassurance from me. I love to be the submissive one. I love to rest in my femininity with the man. I love to rest in that. I also want him to be in tune with his feelings and stuff like that, and vice versa for me. I want to have uncomfortable conversations. I want all that. I want all that. And I'm going to get it. For sure. When it's my time. But right now, cheers to the single life. I'm just focusing on my son, myself, my channel. How can I brand it more? How can I build it up more? The whole nine. So, woo! Alright, y'all, I'm full. I'm super full. Like I said, that pizza is very filling. It's very thick. And usually I can eat 3 pizzas without a doubt. But them 2 pizzas got me like that. And this 3rd piece is like, I'm working on it. So, like I said, it's very filling, very thick, very full. The crust is really good. The pizza is not nasty. Would I get it again? More than I probably would, because it's not nasty. One tried the barbecue chicken one, and yeah, and the crust is good. I didn't think the crust was going to be that good. I keep looking at it like, but I didn't think the crust was going to be that good. But this is not a long video. I just wanted to get on here and review his pizza because I seen it on YouTube and I was like, ooh, I wonder if we got that in Pittsburgh, and sure enough we did. So go get you a little Yachty's pizza, y'all. Support, and tell me what you think of the pizza in the comments. If you tried it, let me know what you think. If you go get it, you tried, let me know what you think in the comments. If you got the barbecue chicken pizza, let me know if you tried it. Let me know how it is. And yeah, so I gotta tend to my son because he's on me right now. You want to say hi to YouTube? Come here. Alright, y'all, so if you like this video, like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell notification so you're notified every time your girl drop. And yeah, I've been consistent lately. I'm super proud of myself, and I just had to say that at the end of this video. I'm super proud of myself. I've been consistent lately, and we ain't stopping. We only going up. So I love y'all, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.